Capt Madam here on Mega-Bite Charters. We're out fishing East Grand Traverse Bay with Sportfish, Michigan. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about one of our proven techniques that work really well here in the bay. Planer boards. I prefer the walleye board, and we use them with lead core and copper base line. And basically what they're used for is, because the water is so clear now in the Great Lakes, we can still get the same depths out of the lead core and the copper as we use on downriggers and on divers, but it gets it out and away from the boat so that it doesn't spook the fish when it goes through. They just see a bait floating by. They're cut here at the 45-degree angle. When you put it out, the water pressure pushes it out away from the boat. We use them early spring, summer. We use them all year long. Next time you're out on the water, why don't you give one a try and see if you can help your catch.